Alright, we're going to take a look at Microsoft Teams meeting, how to actually schedule a meeting within the Microsoft Teams platform. We're going to go over 4 ways to schedule that, either in your email, Outlook, or in the Teams platform itself. So here we go. Let's dive in. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go to a team, any team in my platform, and in the update they've actually moved where this is located. In the top right corner we have the Meet Now button, or in the drop down you can schedule a meeting as well. So right from the team you can start doing that scheduling, either Meet Now automatically and then invite people in, or you can set up a schedule right out of that team. In the calendar within Teams, same feature. Top right corner, we've got Meet Now here, or we can do a new meeting, which again lets us schedule a meeting, or we can schedule a meeting or a live event from the calendar view within Teams. So that's the second way to do it, from the calendar. First way, right out of the Teams, top right corner. Second way, in the calendar of Microsoft Teams, you can establish a Teams meeting or Meet Now for your video conferencing. Third way, in Microsoft Outlook desktop app. So here we are in the Microsoft desktop app. In the calendar review, again, in our toolbar, we have new Teams meeting. Now, if this does not sit in your toolbar right away, it's an add-on. You may have to go add it to your Outlook app in order for that to appear. But all we're going to do is to create a new, set up a meeting. Click on that. It will open up our calendar, create a meeting, just like we would with any other meeting. So we're going to type in our title, add in all the fine details, and then in the body of that we get the Join Microsoft Teams meeting. This is just a hyperlink that you can share out. It'll be part of the person's calendar, or you can right click on this hyperlink, copy the hyperlink, and now you can actually paste that hyperlink anywhere you need it to be. So that's the third way in Outlook calendar desktop app. Fourth way, in the online version of Outlook through Office 365. So let's jump over there. So here we are in the online version of Office 365 Outlook. Again, in the calendar. This time we're going to go to New Event to begin with. It's going to open up that same creating and scheduling a meeting within your calendar. You fill in all the details, only this time in the center here we've got Teams meeting, and to make it a Teams meeting in the Office 365 Outlook we need to just click on that slider. Now when we hit save, it will generate that hyperlink that you can then copy and paste. So in our district we could copy that hyperlink and put it into Seesaw for our little kids. We can put it into Schoology for our older kids, or we can just send a calendar invite, type our kids' names in here, and it's going to appear in their email calendar. So that's it. 4 quick ways to set up a meeting, a Microsoft Teams meeting, in either Microsoft Teams or in Outlook or Office 365 Outlook. Hope that helps. Good luck with your future meetings in Microsoft Teams. Have a great day.